Welcome to Las Vegas.
Look at this. So colorful. I'm so easily amused. It's like we're going into another portal. Or it's like trees or really bright camouflage. Hi guys. So we are currently in the U.S.'s largest airport, Atlanta. That they even have their own subway system, like, well, they're like little tram, little metro system to get you from terminal to terminal. That's how big this airport is, and it's one of the busiest. And it goes levels to levels, like we're on an escalator that literally goes up, like, has to be at least 3 or 4 flights. So, trying to make it to our connection because we're on our way to Las Vegas. Getting to the end of the escalator. So, I don't know if they have the AC turn off in this place, but it is hot. So we're getting something cold because your girl is hot. So we're getting a shake. Oh, I'm getting a shake from Shake Shack.
Seven hours later.
Welcome to Las Vegas. The local time is 11:49 p.m. Please stay seated with your seatbelts fastened and carry on items stowed until the seatbelt sign is turned off. Be sure to take off.
Definitely made it to the city of sin because there are slot machines everywhere and bright shiny lights. Welcome to Las Vegas. Look, it's Bumblebee. And now we're in Vegas. For Ronnie's birthday, he booked with National and they upgraded him to one of the luxury cars. So we got a choice between this Mercedes, that Audi, or any of these luxury sedans. And we decided to go with this Mercedes. We've never driven a Mercedes, so this is gonna be fun. It's a beautiful car. Let's see how it runs. So already I'm impressed. We got all kinds of digital screens and stuff. We're about to leave and go into Las Vegas. Oh my God, these plants look fabulous. They got all kinds of beautiful plants. So pretty. It smells amazing in here. sunflowers. Look at all these lilies. That's what's making it really smell nice in here is all these lilies. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Every time I see this stuff, the way that it's spelled, it makes me think of bubblegum, but it's bupleurum. Hey guys, so we're now at the Waldorf Astoria in Las Vegas, so I'm gonna take you on a room tour. All right, so right as you walk in, you have this beautiful bar where you can brew some coffee, which I will be doing that in the morning. You've got some drawers here for storage. Ooh, look at all them snacks. And then down here, you do have a mini fridge, which it's gonna be full. And just know that anytime you take something out of here, it's gonna charge it to your room, and everything's pretty much done on a sensor. So even if you take it out for a little bit, and then they've got more storage down here with some, a hot tea kettle, so you can boil some water if you want some hot tea. And they've got all that. And then as you move further into the room, we have this beautiful spacious room with a absolutely gorgeous view of the Strip. So we have a king suite. This is considered a junior suite. So we have a nice king bed right here. We've got some seating and we've got a nice big TV. But let's go take a look at that Strip view. So you can see Planet Hollywood, Aria, you can see Hilton Grand Vacations, you can see the Krystal shops. Right next to us, we have the Cosmo and the Aria. And then over in the distance, you can see the Bellagio, the Venetian, the Flamingo. You can see pretty much quite a bit of the Strip, and you're pretty centrally located. So you can walk anywhere or even take the tram from the Aria, which is right next door, down further past the Strip to the Bellagio. And then off of the bedroom, if you follow me in here, we have a big walk-in closet and the biggest bathroom I think I've ever seen inside of a hotel. Let's go. Look at this tub. I personally have soaked in one of these tubs before at this hotel, and I love it. And it comes with bath salts. So it's got like a spa-like experience. You got some little bath salts over there, and they give you some extra towels. It's a very deep tub, and for us thicker girls, trust me, it's thick girl approved. And all right, and then in this massive bathroom, you have Jack and Jill sinks. So Ronnie and I can both have our own separate areas to get ready and beautify ourselves, because it takes both of us a really long time to put on our makeup. Just off of the bathroom, this massive bathroom, you have a separate room to use the toilet. And it's also a big room. So that is the tour of our room at Waldorf in the junior suite. Have you guys ever stayed at the Waldorf before, or any Waldorf? I do plan on going down to the pool tomorrow, and we're gonna check out the new restaurant and bar that they were renovating. So we're gonna do that tomorrow. I'm super excited about that. But right now, this girl needs to go to bed, because right now I'm on East Coast time. And right now it's like 4 a.m. back home. And we've been traveling since 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And it's now, like I said, about 4 a.m. back home. This girl's tired. So I'm gonna get some sleep, and I will see you guys in the morning. Bye. Hi friends, good morning. Well, good afternoon actually. So we're at Peacock Alley in the Waldorf Astoria, and we got some food. You wanna see? So we got some Wagyu sliders. We got some truffle French fries with some aioli, and then we got the Waldorf salad. Ronnie, you ready?
I'm ready.
We're kind of hungry, so let's chow down. This is our face after eating this meal. It's gone. Let's see your happy face. hotel is absolutely gorgeous. Look at those views. Hi guys, so we just left the Waldorf and we didn't get a chance to make it down to the pool. One of these days we will eventually make it down to that pool. But we did get to see the recently renovated and newly opened Peacock Alley, which is kind of something that's across all Waldorfs. They have them at all of the properties. And this one was just renovated and recently just opened, and it was totally worth it. And then we left the hotel and now we're kind of out exploring Las Vegas and everything like that. But the staff, we love staying at the Waldorf because the staff makes the stay. I can't stress enough that you can stay at the most expensive properties and the most lavish properties, but if the staff is terrible, the hotel means nothing. And you can stay at some of the most, you can stay at the most budget-friendly hotels, and the staff could be wonderful, which we've done that. And the staff is always, if the staff is wonderful, it makes the stay. And we love staying at Waldorf because the staff makes the stay. So if you ever get the chance to stay at a Waldorf property, especially the one in Las Vegas, highly recommend because the staff is just wonderful. Jaden he's the one that always kind of checks us in and takes care of us. Aulani, she was new. She took care of us this time. So nice, so personable, and gave us like little new ideas of places to go to. The valet staff and the bell staff, top notch. Like all the guys there, so nice. They were giving me hugs and, you know, welcoming me back, and it was just so nice. So thank you to the valet staff, Brendan, Josh, Eric, Joe, we love you. Brendan, we love you too. They've taken, every time we've come there, they've always been there. They were kind of the first people that ever took care of us on our very first stay that we went to Las Vegas. So Joe and Brendan hold a special place in our hearts. Because like I said, they were the very first people at the part of that staff that we ever encountered, and they've been consistently there as we've stayed there over the course of the last year. So Joe and Brendan, we love you, and we love the rest of your team too. Like I said, Josh, Elazar, Daniel, Eric, always so wonderful and kind and just wonderful to talk to. So thank you guys, all of you, for making our stay just that much better. Because like I said, if the staff at anywhere you go, restaurant, hotel, I mean, anywhere, it can make or break your stay. So I definitely recommend staying at the Waldorf. There's Ronnie. He's getting his hair cut.